How to put pictures side by side on iPhone. Go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Type in Select Photos in the search bar and tap on it. Here, turn on the Select Multiple feature. Then, type in Combine Images in the search bar below and tap on it. After that, tap on horizontally if you want to change the layout. From here, select vertically. Then, go to the search bar again and type in Save. And then, tap on Save to Photos. Now, tap on the arrow down button at the top and select Rename. Here, enter a name for this shortcut. For example, Side by Side Photo. Then, tap on Done. On this page, tap on the shortcut you just created. Then, tap on the arrow down button again. Here, select Add to Home Screen. You can change the shortcut photo from here if you want. After that, tap on Add at the top right corner. As you can see, the shortcut will now appear on your home screen. Open the shortcut and select the photos you want. Then, tap on Add. Now, go back and open up the Photos app. You can view the photo you just saved over here. As you can see, the photos you selected are now side by side. Following these steps, you can easily put pictures side by side on iPhone.